All right, histograms. So, histograms are not bar graphs, although they look a lot like bar graphs. Histograms are for graphing numeric data. Bar graphs display categorical data. So on a bar graph, you'll have as your horizontal axis categories. It could be names. Sometimes it's years. Sometimes, whatever kind of category that you are graphing. And the y-axis, the vertical axis, is sometimes counts and sometimes percentages. Our histograms that we're going to make today have bars on them. The bars are connected. They're next to each other. And the horizontal axis has numerical data, and it has ranges of values. And the vertical axis is either raw numbers, raw counts, or percentages. So we will do more histograms than we do bar graphs. So don't call your histogram a bar graph. It's a frequency distribution, and we look for the shape of a histogram. We don't look at the shape of a bar graph. We don't talk about its general shape, but we do talk about the shapes of histograms. So let's make a little histogram today. And I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but I wanted to get it all on one page. This is the roster for our football team. Yeah, Tony. Yeah. Oh, there's somewhere. Okay. So I thought, is it incorrect? Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. So this is the list that they show the other schools to make our school look a little bigger than we are. The heights aren't even right. Okay. Uh, well, we're we're going to use this information anyway to make a little histogram. Oh, okay. It's not the ice skater. It's the football player. Okay. Yeah. Well. Okay. Well, he still skates on ice. Oh. Okay. Okay. Not in the same way. All right. Do you actually want this discussion on YouTube? Okay. All right. We'll do a histogram for the weights, even though we know they are a little higher than what they should be because Mr. Cell lies a little bit. So, how we'll set up our histogram is, let's see, what's the lowest weight on here? Alex, 140. Does he kick or something? What's the SR? Oh, senior. What does Alex do? WR. He's too small for that. No, wait. Uh, okay. So looks like Alex, the smallest, is 140. And who's the biggest one on this list? I saw a 250. Itani. It says 250 for Itani. Tom. Oh, Tom, 300. All right. Woo. Does Tom really weigh 300 pounds? Okay. Another lie. Okay. But he's big. Okay. So let's set up classes here. Let's go from a weight of 140 to 149. 150 to 159, 160 to 169, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230. Well, then we're going to skip because I think there's some big skips. There's a big skip after 250. All right. We won't do the heights because you have to convert those, and I don't want to have to do too much arithmetic today. Okay. So, shh. I see. I'm going to just make tally marks. You know, did this in elementary school. So, Asaya Harris is 190. I'm sorry, Isaiah. Sorry, Sam is 195. We got a 160. Don't let me lose my place here. 175, 190, 190, 180, 140. Alex is probably the only correct one there. 190, 195, 170, 190. 160, 190, 180, 190, 240. All right, where was that 240 that I just got? Was that Andrew? I hope so. Or was there another 240? All right, we've got 185, a 170, a 195. Is that a football player talking? I hope not. 190, a 200, a 175. I lost my place. Oh, Christian Gonzalez, 175. A 200, a 220, a 200, a 200, a 250, a 190, a 190. You guys aren't helping at all. 220, a 200. You're just chatting. A 250. Well, I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you. That's much better help. A 215, a 200. You don't even know where I am on the list, do you? A 225. I'm at Edgar Moreno, 225. A 210, a 240, a 210, a 225, a 200. I'm doing fine here. I know. A 190. A 300, a 180, and a 180, and I'll put the 300. Okay. All right. So now I want you to write these down for me because we're going to need them later for our calculators. All right. So at 140, I want you to write a 1. And at 160, I want you to write a 2, a 170, a 4, 180 is 5, 190 is 14, 200 is 7, 210 is 3, 220 is 4. I'm going to ask you these numbers later a couple of times. 2. So how far back do I need to go? There? All right, write them down because I'm going to have to go to another page to make my graph. So you're going to have to tell me how high to make each bar. Jeez. So is Alex really the puniest guy on the team? Oh. He's the only one that didn't lie. I have a feeling Mr. Sale lied. Tom is definitely 300? Okay. Okay. All right, you got these numbers written down? Because I'm going to a new page. All right. All right. So my graph hopefully is going to fit here